September we met, I can tell by your smile.
Chevrolet tahoe. Transmission TCM cable remove. Okay, this one TCM cable. First remove lockout. Okay, then you can press upside. First time open that side, you little bit move, and then upside move completely, and coming slowly come out cable, you can see. Okay, and little bit pull out last this one. Okay, I take this little bit. First you can show last, yes, 1 minute cable. Okay, now last. See friends, you can last and you can out properly this one. Otherwise you not remove properly, then damage the connector and you open must be oil sum and all transmission downside. Okay, you can see properly. Be careful about this cable. This one damage means open totally inside TCM and sunlight switch cable also we can check. Okay Sanjeev, thank you friends.